The world of finance is no stranger to disruption. Over the decades, we've witnessed seismic shifts that have redefined how we think about money, investments, and the very nature of financial transactions. From the rise of online banking, which brought the bank to our fingertips and revolutionized personal finance management, to the emergence of cryptocurrency, a digital revolution that challenged traditional notions of currency and value, innovation has always been a defining characteristic of the industry. Each new wave of technology has brought with it opportunities and challenges, reshaping the landscape in profound ways. Today, a new wave of change is sweeping through Wall Street, one that promises to be even more transformative than those before it. At its forefront stands DeepSeek, a Chinese artificial intelligence firm poised to redefine the very fabric of financial markets. This company is not just another player in the tech space, it is a harbinger of the future. DeepSeek's arrival has sent ripples of excitement and apprehension through the global tech community, as experts and analysts alike ponder the implications of its advanced AI capabilities. Signaling the dawn of a new era in AI-driven finance, DeepSeek is set to challenge the status quo and push the boundaries of what is possible in financial analysis and decision-making. DeepSeek's core mission is ambitious to democratize financial insights by making sophisticated market analysis accessible to everyone. This means that not only seasoned investors but also everyday individuals can benefit from cutting-edge financial tools. The company has developed a cutting-edge AI platform capable of processing vast quantities of financial data at unprecedented speeds, identifying patterns, and generating real-time investment recommendations with a level of accuracy previously unimaginable. This technology leverages machine learning and big data to provide insights that were once the domain of only the most sophisticated financial institutions. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to level the playing field for investors of all levels, empowering them with the tools to navigate the complexities of the market with confidence and precision. By providing these advanced tools, DeepSeek is not just changing how we invest, but who can invest, opening up opportunities for a broader audience. DeepSeek's rapid ascent and disruptive potential have not gone unnoticed. The company has quickly become a focal point in discussions about the future of finance. The company has already garnered significant attention from venture capitalists and tech giants, securing substantial investments that will fuel its growth and innovation. Solidifying its position as a major player in the global AI landscape, DeepSeek is poised to influence the direction of financial technology for years to come. As DeepSeek continues to refine its technology and expand its reach, the implications for the financial world are profound and far-reaching. Its impact on the financial world is only beginning to be felt, and the ripple effects are expected to touch every corner of the market. The question is no longer whether AI will reshape finance, but how profound that transformation will be. The future of finance is here, and it is being shaped by the innovative minds at DeepSeek. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: the financial world will never be the same again. At the helm of DeepSeek is Liang Wenfeng, a visionary entrepreneur whose journey to the forefront of the AI revolution is nothing short of remarkable. His story is one of relentless ambition, tireless effort, and an unyielding belief in the transformative power of technology. A prodigy in mathematics and computer science, Liang cultivated his passion for artificial intelligence from a young age, demonstrating an innate ability to understand and manipulate complex systems. Immersing himself in the world of algorithms and data analysis, he spent countless hours perfecting his craft, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to push the boundaries of what was possible. His insatiable curiosity and relentless pursuit of knowledge led him to some of the world's most prestigious institutions, where he not only absorbed knowledge but also contributed to groundbreaking research. At these institutions, he honed his skills alongside leading experts in the field, gaining invaluable insights and forging connections that would later prove crucial in his entrepreneurial journey. Liang's vision for DeepSeek extends beyond simply disrupting the financial industry. He sees AI as a tool for profound societal change. He believes that AI has the power to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to healthcare, and is committed to leveraging this technology for the greater good. From developing renewable energy solutions to revolutionizing medical diagnostics, Liang envisions a future where AI empowers humanity, not replaces it. He envisions a future where AI empowers humanity, not replaces it, by augmenting our capabilities and creating a more equitable and sustainable world. By augmenting our capabilities and creating a more equitable and sustainable world, Liang aims to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all, not just a privileged few. Liang's unwavering belief in the transformative power of AI is deeply ingrained in DeepSeek's culture. This belief drives every project and initiative within the company. The company fosters a collaborative and intellectually stimulating environment that attracts top talent from around the globe, creating a melting pot of ideas and innovation. Engineers and data scientists work side by side, united by a shared passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and a commitment to using their skills for the greater good. This collaborative spirit is the backbone of DeepSeek, driving the company forward and ensuring that every team member is aligned with Liang's vision. Liang's leadership and vision have created a company culture that is as ambitious as it is inspiring, setting the stage for DeepSeek to become a force for positive change on a global scale. With a global team dedicated to advancing technology and a mission to use AI for the betterment of society, DeepSeek is poised to make a lasting impact on the world. At the heart of DeepSeek's success lies its mastery of cutting-edge AI technologies. This mastery is not just about having the latest tools, but about integrating them in a way that maximizes their potential. DeepSeek's approach to AI is holistic, encompassing everything from data collection to real-time analysis. The company's platform is built on a foundation of deep learning, a sophisticated subset of AI that mimics the human brain's ability to learn and adapt. This technology allows DeepSeek to process and interpret vast amounts of data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Deep learning enables computers to learn from vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and making predictions that would be impossible for humans to discern. This capability is crucial for staying ahead in the fast-paced world of finance, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. These predictions are not just about numbers, they provide actionable insights that can drive strategic decisions and give DeepSeek's clients a competitive edge. DeepSeek's algorithms are trained on a massive dataset of financial information, including historical stock prices, economic indicators, and even social media sentiment. This diverse data pool ensures that the algorithms have a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics, and even social media sentiment, which is increasingly important in today's interconnected world. By analyzing social media trends, DeepSeek can gauge public sentiment and predict market movements with greater accuracy, allowing it to identify subtle patterns and trends that traditional methods often miss. This ability to see what others cannot is a key differentiator for DeepSeek. One of the key factors behind DeepSeek's technological prowess is its strategic use of Nvidia A100 chips. These chips are specifically designed to handle the demanding workloads of AI applications, providing the necessary power to process complex algorithms. These powerful graphics processing units, specifically designed for AI workloads, are the backbone of DeepSeek's computational infrastructure. They enable the company to handle large-scale data processing tasks with ease, provide the computational muscle needed to train and run DeepSeek's complex algorithms. This hardware advantage allows DeepSeek to stay ahead of the competition by continuously improving its AI models. The A100's parallel processing capabilities allow it to crunch through massive amounts of data at lightning speed, enabling DeepSeek to generate real-time insights and respond to market fluctuations with unparalleled agility. This real-time capability is crucial for making timely decisions in the volatile financial markets, enabling DeepSeek to generate real-time insights and respond to market fluctuations with unparalleled agility. This agility is not just about speed, it's about being able to pivot and adapt to new information as it becomes available. DeepSeek's relentless focus on innovation extends beyond its use of advanced hardware. The company is committed to pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI, constantly exploring new techniques and refining its algorithms. The company invests heavily in research and development, ensuring that it remains at the cutting edge of AI technology. This investment is not just about staying current, it's about leading the way in AI innovation, constantly exploring new AI techniques and refining its algorithms to improve accuracy and performance. This continuous improvement cycle is what sets DeepSeek apart from its competitors. This dedication to pushing the boundaries of AI has enabled DeepSeek to build a significant technological lead in the industry, establishing a formidable barrier to entry for potential competitors. This lead is not just about technology, it's about the expertise and vision that drive DeepSeek's innovation, establishing a formidable barrier to entry for potential competitors. This barrier is reinforced by DeepSeek's deep understanding of both AI and the financial markets, creating a unique synergy that is hard to replicate. As AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, DeepSeek's commitment to staying at the forefront of innovation will be crucial to maintaining its position as a leader in the AI-driven financial revolution. This commitment is not just about technology, it's about a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. DeepSeek's commitment to staying at the forefront of innovation will be crucial to maintaining its position as a leader in the AI-driven financial revolution. By continually pushing the envelope, DeepSeek ensures that it remains a step ahead, ready to tackle the challenges and opportunities of the future.